Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is continuously moving upside from 4 days, as you can see looking at this particular chart. And if you look at this chart, pattern has formed and then a downfall, and then there is a continuous upside. Okay, looking at this particular trend, chances of going further upside we can see, because see, there is a U pattern is forming. After that there is a fall, and we have seen there is a continuous rise in the price of gold. If you look at this particular trend, what we can see, the next support coming at a very close level, that is $3129. Okay, and if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of touching $3119 is there. Okay, and if the price started going below that particular level, we will see it will touch a level of $3088, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall will be there. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, see, this is the zone where the price is moving for so long, and previously the price was moving in this particular zone for quite some time. Okay, and then this is the zone, and then this is the zone. The zone is getting narrower. If you look at this is the zone, this is the zone, and this zone, and then the next zone is very narrower. Now the price is moving at a level of $33.380. Okay, chances can be high that if the price sustain this level, it can touch its today's high of around $3150. And if that sustain, we can see there will be a further upside. So what you can do is, you can trail your SL by $5. Okay, and if you keep trailing your SL by $5, you can capture a big movement towards an upside. So chances can be high it can touch a level of 3170 to a level of 3180, and then to a level of 3200 also we can see. Okay, it is close to 3200 when the price started going above 3150, which is an high, all-time high now. Okay, so you can keep trailing your SL, so you capture big movement towards upside. But if the price started falling below a level of next support, that is 3127, a further fall we can see, and it can touch today's low, that is 3120, and once started falling below this level, a further fall we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, there is a high chances of going further upside. If you have any doubts, you can tell me, or you can mail me at, I've given the mail IDs also. Okay, now let's see how the dollar index is moving. Because dollar index plays an important role in the price of a moment. So now the price of dollar index now trading at a level of $104.270. A swing has formed after making a low of around $103.1. Okay, so what we can see at this level, that the price, if it sustained, because this is creating a U pattern, so chances are high it can touch a level of 104.3, and from there it will cross a level of 104.6. Okay, and this level is already weak, so the price will go further upside, and yes, after that it will touch a level of around $105.18, and if the price started going above this level, it can touch a level of 105.4, and once the price moving over that particular level, we can see a level of 105.7, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards $106.2. Okay, if the price started going above that particular level, chance of touching 106.5 is there, and this level is already weak, so chances are high the price will move further upside. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, it can touch a level of 104. Falling below this level, we can see a level of 103.7, and then it will move below a level of $103.2. Okay, and then there is zone weak out, so further downfall we can see, so chances of touching a level of 102.7 we can see, and then it will touch a level of $101.8, and if the price started going below this level, chances of falling further low we can see towards 100.5, and then a further fall. Chances are, see, you have to understand, when the dollar index started going high, okay, we see the price of gold comes down. If the dollar index started going down, we see the price of gold goes up, even silver, crude, and natural gas, because they are inversely related with dollar. Okay, so dollar index. Now if we look at this particular chart, what we can see, if you look at the price is now trading at a level of $134.250. Suppose if the price sustain, we can see there it can, the next level we can see a high which is an all-time high around $3147, and then if the price sustain above this level, it will touch a level of around 3149. Okay, and if the price moving over this level, we can see a level of $31.52, and from there a level of $31.55 to a level of $31.60. Okay, so keep trailing your SL, trail your SL by $5. Okay, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, and once the price started going up $31.60, try to make it and keep trailing by 5, so you can capture a higher movement. It can touch a level of $31.70, or if started going upside, you can capture a big movement high side. But if the price didn't sustain, what we can suppose, if the price didn't sustain, it can touch at the next level, that is 3129. If the price started falling below a level of 3129, the next support coming at a level of $3121. Okay, after 3129, we can see a level of 312921, and from there a level of $3119. Okay, and if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of touching 3087 is there, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 3077. Okay, so after 3087 we can see a level of 3077, and if the price falling below that level, we can see the price will fall further low, and yes, chances are high it will touch a level of 3059. After 3077 we can see a level of 3059, and from there a level of $3051. If the price started falling below 3051, a probability of touching 3038 we can see, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 3037. Okay, if the price moving below a level of 3037, chances are high it will touch a level of 3019. Okay, and then a further fall. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope